Hello friends, this is Faridoon Sharer with cameraman Tahir Sheikh. We are in front of the magnificent Sphinx here in Cairo in Egypt. We are here to cover India by the Nile Festival, where Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is the guest of honor. Hope you enjoy this presentation. March 30, 2015, Mr. Bachchan had a wonderful interaction with the Indian community here at Marriott Hotel in Cairo. It was followed by a heartwarming interaction with the Egyptian community at India House, that is Ambassador's House in Cairo. You have to see it.
सबसे पहले आप सब लोगों को जिस तरह से आप लोग स्वागत करते हैं हमारा दिल एकदम भर आता है और शब्द नहीं मिलते हैं कभी कि कैसे आप लोगों को धन्यवाद दें। जब हम इस व्यवसाय में आए हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि इसे छोड़ेंगे और जब आप कह रहे हैं कि इसको छोड़ के आप कहाँ जाएंगे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि यहाँ से छोड़ेंगे तो ऊपर ही जाएंगे। ओके, मैं दरअसल कलकत्ते में काम कर रहा था और यूनिवर्सिटी दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से ग्रेजुएशन करने के बाद नौकरी करने गया कलकत्ता। वहाँ 7-8 साल मैंने बिताया। उसके बाद जब मन किया कि मुझे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जाना है तो एक प्रतियोगिता थी, फिल्म फेयर माध्यमिक कॉन्टेस्ट, उसमें मैंने भाग लिया और उसमें ये था कि if you pass that contest then you will be chosen by at least 5 or 6 major directors to work in their film. लेकिन मुझे वो प्रिलिमिनरीज में ही उन्होंने फेल कर दिया। फिर मेरा मन जो था वो लग गया था मुंबई की तरफ और मैं अपनी नौकरी छोड़ करके मुंबई आ गया और अपने साथ एक ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस लाया था और चंद रुपए। मैंने कहा अगर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में काम नहीं मिलेगा तो यहाँ मुंबई में टैक्सी चलाऊँगा, लेकिन धीरे धीरे वो काम मिलता गया। अब मैं यहीं रहना चाहूँगा और आपको निराश कर दूंगा क्योंकि आप चाह रहे हैं कि मैं कुछ और छोड़ दूँ। Just want to thank everyone for being here today and for giving me so much pleasure in listening to some of the voices of Mann Ki Baat. I hope that I get an opportunity to meet you all again, and there are many more festivals that His Excellency will consider in the years to come. It's always been a great joy for me to come here. As I said earlier on, it's just like coming home, and today you have made me feel that even more. Thank you so much for your love and your affection.
Why do you like Amitabh Bachchan?
Because he my uncle.
Which movie of his him do you like?
أي فيلم بتحبيه لأميتاب؟
Any names that you like to take?
قولي أسامي.
Kuli.
Mar.
Mar.
Chile. Sad Bisata.
Satya Bisata. Okay.
Amar Akbar Anthony.
Barak Anthony.
Khuda Jawa.
Khuda Gawah. Okay.
All his movies actually. We are in love with him since 33 years.
You're in love with him since?
And we met him at 1991, 2001, and today when he came, he remembered me and he allowed me to go into him across his bodyguard and he hugged me.
Okay.
He still remember
Our life.
He still remember.
Okay. Yes.
And he is
Amitabh is our legend.
He is to Amitabh us.
Which movie of Amitabh Bachchan do you like?
I like all his movies. He didn't act any movie.
Sharab you like?
His first movie I saw to him.
Pukar.
Yes, what I love his face. My favorite film is Shan. Sean is perfect. Sean what of Sean movie? Silsila. Or Silsila. Kabi. Huda Tera Baap. It's amazing.
Huda Tera Baap you like? Amitabh you like?
Yeah. Or Kabhi Khush Kabhi Gham. Kabhi Khush Kabhi Gham.
Thank you. Your mother likes Amitabh Bachchan?
She loves him.
Okay.
I am encourage her also because I love him also.
What movie of Amitabh Bachchan you like?
You know, Akbar Anthony.
Right.
This is it was the first movie. I was very impressed for his shooting, and also the last movie I saw that one is Black.
Black, you like?
Yes, Black. His name was Sahil, Mr. Sahil, like this, and he was helping a blind girl for educating, and at the end of the movie, and this was a very beautiful movie, that he did not make any kind of songs or dancing or anything, just himself is acting, but he was not acting.
Right.
This was like real life. I remember that he always is moving with his hand like he's talking.
उड़ती उड़ती अखियों के लड़के पैच लड़ गए वे ठीक लगा के झूम 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 बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना जमाना करे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना जमाना करे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना.
Excellency, Ambassador Puri, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for these wonderful words, and thank you for the extraordinary reception that you have honored me today. Ambassador, I'd like to thank you first for extending this invitation to me, to bring me here to Cairo. This is my 4th visit to this wonderful country. And every time I come to Egypt, I feel as though I've come home. And that is the feeling that I carry with me when I go back to India. I came here in 1975 to shoot for a film of mine, and not many people had heard of Hindi cinema. And then in 1991, I came here for the Cairo Film Festival. And it was overwhelming to find so many people identifying with not just our films, but our country, our culture. And that has been a great incentive for all of us way back. It's been such a wonderful experience. And I really want to thank the Ambassador for conducting this very important festival, India by the Nile, and encouraging the cooperation, the friendship that has existed between our two cultures and our two countries. We have a historic legacy of over 5,000 years of existence of our cultures. We've always honored the fact that both our civilizations grew up along the banks of two very important rivers, the Nile here in Egypt and the Ganges in India. And that speaks a lot for the bonding that has taken place between our two cultures. We never ask the caste, creed, the color or the religion of the person sitting next to us, but we always enjoy the same film. We sing the same songs, we dance the same music, we cry at the same emotion, we laugh at the same jokes. There are very few institutions left in the world that can boast of such an integration as does cinema, and therefore I pride myself in the fact that I'm a very small element in this vast fraternity that brings cultures together. Thank you so much, Ambassador, once again. I wish this festival a lot of success. You mentioned that you had been selfish in involving me in a lot of activities. May you continue to be selfish. May you continue to invite me. And I assure you that I shall be every time here with you whenever you need my services. Thank you.
This is Faridoon Sharia with cameraman Tahir Sheikh here in front of the magnificent Sphinx in Cairo, Egypt for Bollywood News Network. Keep on watching.